Welcome friends, I am here with social science MCQs for JTET and the like competitions. Many students fail to answer such questions, so go through it and ensure your score for social science. Question number 1. To create a new state in India, a bill is passed by A. State Assembly, B. Lok Sabha, C. Rajya Sabha, D. Both Lok Sabha and Rajya Sabha. So, can India create a new state anytime? Yes, Article 3 gives Parliament this superpower. So answer is D. Both Lok Sabha and Rajya Sabha. Under Article 3 of the Indian Constitution, Parliament has the power to create a new state. The bill must be passed by both houses of the Parliament. Question number 2. District Institutes of Education and Training (DIET) have been set up for improving the quality of A. Elementary education, B. Secondary education, C. Primary education, D. Preschool education. Answer is A. Elementary education. So diet is not about food. It trains the future of India. So diets were established to improve the quality of elementary education and teacher training at district level. Question number 3. Who presided over Constituent Assembly that framed the Constitution of Independent India? A. B.R. Ambedkar, B. Rajendra Prasad, C. Jawaharlal Nehru, D. Sarojini Naidu. Answer is B. Dr. Rajendra Prasad, not Ambedkar, who actually chaired the Constituent Assembly. So, Dr. Rajendra Prasad was the president of Constituent Assembly. Question number 4. The 10 plus 2 plus 3 pattern of education was recommended by 1964-66 A. B. Secondary Education Commission on 1952-53, C. University Education Commission 1948-49 and D. National Commission on Teachers 1983-84. Answer is A. Education Commission on 1964-1966. The education system studied in was designed by one commission that is called Kothari Commission in 1964-66. So answer is A, and it recommended the 10 plus 2 plus 3 education structure. Question number 5. Which organization prepares national curriculum framework NCF for school education? A. NCERT, B. CBSE, C. NUEPA, D. NCTE. Answer is NCERT. Develops national curriculum framework for school education in India. Next question is, in our constitution, right to free and compulsory elementary education included in the section of A. Fundamental rights of citizen, B. Directive principles of state policy, C. Human rights, and D. Rights of children. Article 20. Answer is A. Fundamental rights of citizens. Education became fundamental right in India, and A makes education a fundamental right for children aged 6 to 14 years. Question number 7. Who was the Prime Minister of India at the time of creation of independent Bangladesh? A. VP Singh, B. Indira Gandhi, C. Morarji Desai, D. I.K. Gujral. Answer is B. Indira Gandhi. 1971 war changed the South Asia forever, and Indira Gandhi led India. Bangladesh became independent in 1971 during Indira Gandhi's tenure. Question number 8. What was the major objective of Home Rule movement? A. To gain complete independence, B. To win dominion status, C. To get more representation in legislative assembly, D. To ensure employment in government. Before Purna Swaraj, India's first demanded to win dominion status. Answer is B. The Home Rule movement aimed for self-government within British Empire. Next question. Article 51 of the Constitution of India deals with A. Fundamental rights of citizens, B. Duties of citizens, C. Rights of children, D. Human rights. Answer is B. Duties of citizens Most students know fundamental rights but forgot fundamental duties. So it is very important. Contains the fundamental duties of citizens. Question number 10. Who gave slogan Back to Vedas? Swami Vivekananda, B. Swami Dayanand, C. Rajaram Mohan Rai, D. Sri Aurobindo. Answer is B. Swami Dayanand. Back to Vedas slogan started with a reform revolution, and answer is B. Swami Dayanand. Swami Dayanand Saraswati, the founder of Arya Samaj, gave this slogan. Next question. Which of the following organization does not deal with school education? A. CBSE, B. SC, C. AICTE, D. Diet. Answer is C. AICTE. AICTE controls engineers, not school students. AICTE regulates technical and higher education, not school education. Next question. Why have Navodaya Vidyalayas have been established? To provide residential facilities, B. to provide quality education to rural students, C. to provide equality education to meritorious students, D. to provide quality education to talented students in residential settings. Answer is D. to provide quality education to talented students in residential settings. India's free boarding schools with top quality education is Navodaya Vidyalaya, Jawahar Navodaya. Answer is D. Jawahar Navodaya Vidyalaya provide free quality residential education to talented rural students. But answer is to provide quality education to talented students in residential setting. Next question. Which one of the following is highest civilian award given to eminent person? Padma Vibhushan, B. Paramveer Chakra, C. Bharat Ratna, D. Mahavir Chakra. Answer is C. Bharat Ratna. India's highest honor. Only legends receive it. Bharat Ratna is the India's highest civilian award. Next question is, which organization is responsible for granting recognition to teacher education institutions? A. NCTE, B. NCERT, C. SCERT, D. UGC. Answer is A. NCTE. So if you want to open a B.Ed college, NCTE approval is mandatory. NCTE regulates and grants recognition to teacher education institutions in India. Next question. The film Guide was based on the novel of same title written by A. R.K. Narayan, B. Chetan Bhagat, C. Mulk Raj Anand, D. Jhumpa Lahari. Answer is A. R.K. Narayan. Bollywood classic film Guide came from an iconic Indian novel. A famous novel Guide was written by R.K. Narayan. Next question. According to Mahatma Gandhi, what should be the medium of instruction at the primary stage? National language of the state, B. Hindi, C. English, D. Child's mother tongue. Answer is D. Child's mother tongue. Gandhi believed kids learn best in their mother tongue. So Gandhi strongly supported mother tongue education at the primary level. Next question is, which one of the following is not a part of northeastern India? A. Mizoram, B. Tripura, C. Andaman and Nicobar Islands, D. Nagaland. Answer is C. Andaman and Nicobar Islands. Not every eastern place belongs to northeast India. So Andaman Nicobar Islands are union territories, not part of northeast India. Next question. Which one of the following was passed in the last session of 15th Lok Sabha? A. Right to Information Bill, B. Right to Education Bill, C. Street Vendors Bill, D. Right to Employment Bill. Answer is C. Street Vendors Bill. This law protects India's street vendors from harassment. The Street Vendors Bill was passed in the final session of 15th Lok Sabha. Next question. Teachers' Day in India is celebrated on the occasion of the birthday of A. Dr. Zakir Hussain, B. Dr. Radhakrishnan, C. Jawaharlal Nehru, D. Aurobindo. Answer is B. Dr. Radhakrishnan. Teachers' Day is celebrated on 5th September, the birthday of Dr. S. Radhakrishnan. Next question. Which country is not a member of SAARC? A. Nepal, B. Pakistan, C. Bhutan, D. China. Answer is D. China. SAARC has 8 members, but China is not one of them. China is not a SAARC member. It is an observer nation. Next question, India is a republic because A. Head of the state is elected by the people. B. Prime Minister is elected by the people. C. Prime Minister is appointed by the head of the state. D. Prime Minister is supported by the majority of parliamentarians. Answer is A. Head of the state is elected by people. India is republic because the president, the head of the state, is elected. Next question, which of the following state in India did not become independent in 1947? Gujarat, B. Goa, C. Himachal Pradesh, West Bengal. Answer is B. Goa. Goa became part of India much later than 1947 because Goa was under Portuguese rule until 1961. So that's all for today. If you like the video, please share and comment in the video more so that I can bring more for you. Thank you.